updates now coming in. With Delhi verdict expected in less than 24 hours now, the Aam Aadmi Party has called for a crucial meeting today, and all the 70 candidates will be attending this meeting. The agenda of the meeting is to decide on the result day, the preparations, and the charge that has been leveled by Arvind Kejriwal that the candidates are being poached, that they are being called by the BJP leaders. My colleague Pradeep Datta is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Pradeep, less than 24 hours to go and we'll know the fate of each of the parties, the fate of Delhi as well. But even before that, parley is continuing within the Aam Aadmi Party as well. A big meeting has been called with all the candidates in attendance. What's expected?
See, even after elections are over, the war of words between both Aam Aadmi Party and BJP is continuing, and this time Arvind Kejriwal, through social media, he's leveling a very serious charge against BJP, that how BJP is trying to lure their party candidates, and they have offered them 15 crore rupees if they come and join BJP. So far as the BJP is concerned, they've already denied these allegations. They are saying this is baseless because Arvind Kejriwal is seeing the political ground slipping under their feet, and that's one of the reasons that now they are leveling this baseless charges against the BJP. So in this regard, the Kejriwal is going to have a meeting in his office where all the 70 candidates will be meeting, and basically Kejriwal is trying to keep the flock together because they are not sure how many seats they are getting, because so far as exit poll surveys are concerned, that clearly indicate that this time it's going to be comeback for the BJP after 27 years. Finally the BJP is going to form the government, because most of those surveys are indicating that it's going to be clean sweep for them, and the drought of 27 years that had been existing finally will come to an end. And so far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, their dominance will be over. That had been continuing for about 10 years. So what Kejriwal thinks that maybe tomorrow some of the candidates, because normally it has become a routine in the past also, whichever party wins, most of the time we have seen that some of them try to join that particular party. So trying to keep the flock together, Kejriwal is going to convene a meeting, and during that meeting all these people will be present there. But so far as the BJP is concerned, BJP has made it clear that neither they have tried to contact any of them, because when the results are not out, how come they will start contacting people, because they don't know who is really going to win. So, and these are simply baseless allegations. There is no truth in that. So finally, let's see what will be the outcome of the meeting, what will be discussed during that meeting. But one thing is quite clear, that war of words, the bitter war of words that started with the onset of the election, even after the elections are over, it's still continues. Let's see.
In fact, the bitter war of words, Pradeep, we've seen before the elections, on the day of elections, and clearly it's continuing even after that. So the strategy for the result day going to be decided by the Aam Aadmi Party leaders in that meeting. We'll come back to you for those updates. Quick break. We'll be right back.